What's up, all you amazing people? I hope all of you are in the best of health, wealth, love, and happiness. And right now, in break time, I'm going to this one Maqha, a coffee shop, but traditional coffee shop here in Nasariya. So, join me on this drive. See, it's hot outside. By the way, I'm not sure if this is accurate, but the temperature meter in my car is saying that outside it's 47 degrees Celsius, and it doesn't seem that much off. Even with my own intuition, it feels like 45. So the Maqha that I'm going to, I've been there before, but like in the early days when I came to Riyadh, so it was in 2024. So it's been quite some time, maybe a year or so. I went there one time. But I'm gonna drive there, and in the end I'll show you some clips from there as well. I need to actually take a U-turn from that other main road, so I'll be using this street to go on to the main road. I hope I come out near the U-turn. I guess I didn't. Or did I? I'll not take the risk. I'll go from even one street back. I've been through these streets, and many a times from there is park as well. I think I recorded one video around this park this one time at night on my POV channel, but anyways, let's get a bird's eye view on here. Okay, I think I can should I go to the main road, or should I just keep showing you the streets here? I think I should just keep wandering around in these streets. Let me just stop here. Where are we now? Let's come from around here. By the way, this is Sharafiyah. Hayal Sharafiyah. Now the Maqha that I want to go to, it's somewhere around here. Let us find it. Where did it go? Oh, there was one. Oh goodness. Am I gonna be able to find it or what? You see, there it is, Maqha. Finally, here we are. Wonderful scenes, and it's open. Alhamdulillah, we found it. Let us take our Insta360 with us. Here we go. Hi Changan. Hi Changan. Changan. Oh, why is it not responding? Hi Changan. I just wanted to turn off the AC. Come on. Why are you doing this to me? So let's see how it is from the inside. Also have to take out my work bag. You see, well, I go to coffee shops, but I hope this Maqha, it's relatively more calm, but we'll see. Oh, check this out. They have a wide selection of biscuits, mamuls. and there we have our chai being made, and that's the sitting area. So this is the sitting area, the jalsa. I'm waiting for my order. So here we have it, guys. We have some work going on, and then we also got our chai, kadak chai. Wow. Wonderful.